Hi friend, Marian here, potentials.com, signing at our channel. So let me share with you our haul from nasa ano tayo, Monday night sa National Bookstore in SM North EDSA. Ayan, shout out to Drop PH. So taga Balintawak QC daw siya, one of our subscribers. So go to mall daw niya ang North EDSA. So nasa North EDSA tayo, Drop PH. So ito, we bought this from National Bookstore. So this is for our journaling. Ano ba yung title niya? Talking with Angel of Light. Ayan. So yan, for 99 pesos. Hindi ko alam kung sale siya, pero yan, very affordable. Receive blessings from the divine realm. Follow your unique path. Discover your true purpose. Have enlightened experiences. Create harmony and joy. Your angels are always with you. Talking with Angels of Light. Ayan. That's our haul from National Bookstore. Ayan, National Bookstore din to. Wala lang siyang sign. Let's continue reading our books. Ayan, madami na po tayong collection. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.